The cinematic reveal highlights the scale of our operation, transforming raw material into... Welcome to Mega Man Manufacturing. The process being dark automated in lighting.
The cinematic reveal of our state-of-the-art facility. Here, the material is precisely machined.
From the pocket thackers called if ye fristen or swarm,
From darkness, the factory hums. We are as a bullet multi. From darkness, we reveal the heart of mega manufacturing. Here, precision engineering transforms raw materials into... The creation of ammunition begins here. In this massive facility, we transform raw materials into... The journey begins here, transitioning from darkness to the heart of the manufacturing process.
Upon arrival, the raw 7030 brass undergoes strict inspection. Once scanned and verified, raw brass coils arrive and are inspected. This 7030 cartridge brass is precisely 0.9 millimeters thick.
Testing. Raw brass material arrives in 0.9 millimeters. It immediately undergoes including restriction in...
Raw brass material undergoes rigorous inspection upon arrival, utilizing the inspection conveyor and strometer.
This is the raw material arrival stage. We utilize 7030 cartridge brass, 0.
Welcome to the raw brass material arrival and inspection stage. We utilize 7030.
The raw brass material, specifically 7030 cartridge brass, arrives and undergoes inspection.
Here we see the brass cup forming and deep drawing process. The flat disc is progressively reduced via This is the deep drawing process. Flat brass discs are progressively reduced using a 6-stage Waterbury ferrule press with...
Utilizing the Waterbury ferrule 6-stage progressive drawing press, the flat brass discs undergo deep drawing.
This is the deep drawing process. Flat brass discs are progressively reduced using a multi-stage carbide die press, transforming the...
The flat brass discs are progressively drawn through multi-stage dies in a 6-stage press. This deep draw...
Silvers. The flat brass disc undergoes a process called deep drawing, progressively forming the cup shape over 6 stapes.
Here we see the 6th-stage progressive drawing press. The 0.9 millimeter brass blanks are deep drawn through carbide dies.
In the deep drawing stage, the brass blanks are progressively stretched by the multi-stage dies. This transforms the...
Here we see the bullet case annealing and heat treatment stage. This process uses an induction coil to precise... The annealing process uses this induction coil to heat the brass cases to 600 degrees Celsius. This heat treat... The bullet cases are heated to 600 degrees Celsius in the induction coil, creating this dramatic orange glow. This heat...
Annealing is crucial for the structural integrity of the bullet casing. The brass is rapidly heated by the induction coil, achieving...
The annealing process heats the brass cases to 600 degrees Celsius, creating this distinctive orange glow.
This is the annealing stage. The brass cases are heated to 600 degrees Celsius by the induction coil.
This is the annealing and heat treatment stage. The brass cases are heated to 600 degrees Celsius using an induction coil before being quenched in water. Once annealed, the cases enter the precision trim station. A carbide cutter trims the mouth to exactly 1
cigarettes. The case trimming and precision sizing stage is critical. Annealed cases are resized in a carbide die to a 1. The Hydromat Precision Trim and Resize Station utilizes a carbide die to cut the case to an exact length.
In the precision sizing stage, the Hydromat trims the annealed cases using a carbide die. We verify... This is the case trimming and precision sizing stage. The annealed cases are resized in a carbide die to a
The cases are trimmed to a precise length and sized to specification within 1/1000th of an inch. The operator admits the cases are precisely sized in a carbide die before a lathe trims the mouth to exacting specifications. The case trimming and precision sizing stage is critical. The annealed cases are resized in a carbide die. The sized case enters the swagging station, where a punch forms the primer pocket to precise specifications. It then moves to the
The primer pocket formation is crucial for safety and reliability. The Camdex automated press precisely inserts the boxer-type primer. Next is the primer pocket formation and insertion stage. The automated press swages the pocket and seats the boxer primer.
The sized cases move into the swagging unit where the primer pocket is formed. Then, the automated press inserts. Next, the primer pocket is formed and the primer inserted. This Camdex unit precisely swages the precisely sized case receives the primer pocket formation via the swagging unit, followed by the automated insertion of the boxer-type primer.
The cases enter the primer pocket formation stage. Utilizing a Camdex swagging unit, the pockets are precisely formed before.
The powder measure drum rotates on a continuous cycle. A precise charge of ball powder is dropped into the primed case. The propellant powder measuring stage is critical. Our automated system uses a load cell for verification, ensuring the constant. The propellant powder measuring and loading stage is crucial. Here, the machine dispenses the precise charge and
The audio features a voice explaining the propellant powder measuring and loading stage, describing the material.
This is the propellant powder measuring and loading stage. The load cell verification system ensures every carton. This is the propellant powder measuring and loading stage. The machine precisely measures the powder by weight using.
Here we see the propellant powder measuring and loading stage. The automated powder measure drum uses a load cell.
In the assembly stake, the lead core is swedged into the gilding metal jacket using the Corbin press. This ensures the preciseness. The Corbin swagging press seats the lead core into the copper jacket. The technician inspects the depth gauge to the Cs. The lead core is swagged and seated into the metal jacket. The technician then uses a depth gauge to confirm.
Here we see the lead core and bullet tip assembly stage. The swaged core is seated precisely inside
The lead core is precisely seated into the gilding metal jacket by the swagging press. The technician then inspects the seating depth to ensure strict tolerance. This stage involves the precise assembly of the lead core and the gilding metal jacket using the swagging press, a crucial step for ballistic consistency. The assembly process requires extreme precision. As the lead core is seated, the depth gauge confirms tolerances. The final crimping stage secures the bullet with a precise taper crimp, aligning with the cannelure. An optical sensor.
This is the final crimping and sealing process. The machine precisely seats the jacketed bullet into the case mouth.
The final stage is crimping and sealing. Here on the Dillon 650, the jacketed bullet is securely crimped into the case mouth at the precise cannelure.
Here at the crimp station, the bullet is precisely seated and sealed to the cartridge. The worker monitors the.
This is the final crimping and sealing process. The machine precisely seats the jacketed bullet into the case mouth, creating.
The final crimping and sealing process is critical. The Dillon 650 precisely seats the jacketed bullet, forming the cannelure.
The final crimping process secures the bullet. As the Dillon 650 cycles, the operator monitors the crimp qualities. Quality inspection is paramount. Cartridges are verified by optical gauging and pressure tested. The finished rounds are.
The headspace and pressure test is critical. Using an optical gauging station, we ensure every 308 cartridge meets source.
The quality inspection testing and packaging stage is critical. We use optical gauging and headspace gauges to ensure every
sealants. Quality inspection is paramount. Cartridges undergo precise headspace testing and optical gauging. Once clear.
The final stage involves meticulous quality inspection and testing. Using a headspace gauge, we verify the polish point relation.
The final stage involves rigorous quality inspection. Here, the 308 cartridges undergo headspace.
Every frame in this video has been transformed to a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to VEO generation, human creativity leaves every step. This channel is dedicated to original craftsmanship and follows our 2026 monetization rules.